We are in the port of Antwerp, Belgium, where Doigro is loading big lifts MV Happy River with almost 18,000 freight tons of cargo for the Tobolsk 2 project. The critical cargo consists of polymerization reactors, condensers, interchangers, and columns, which will be part of Zbor's extension to their existing petrochemical complex in Tobolsk, West Siberia, currently one of the world's largest energy projects. Doigro was awarded the overall logistics, transportation, and shipping contract for the entire project by Technip France, with a total volume of about 130,000 freight tons. Doigro provided 360-degree logistic solutions that included the ocean freight by container, break bulk, and heavy lift vessels, as well as the air freight, truck moves, and multimodal shipments. Approximately 35,000 cubic meters of heavy lift and ODC items were shipped from Far East and Southern European ports to Belgium, where they were eventually consolidated and transshipped in the logistical hub of Antwerp. Once arrived in Noviport, the cargoes will once more be transshipped onto barges and towed to the final construction site in Siberia. MV Happy River is the second of 2 full charter ships. And now, after having successfully loaded the last heavy lift, she starts to traverse the 3,000 nautical miles to Noviport. On her way, the modern 13,000-ton deadweight heavy lifter endures adverse weather conditions, freezing temperatures, and even surface ice. During the voyage, Doigro and Big Lift made sure to carry out daily checkouts of the cargo's sea fastenings and retighten them accordingly to ensure each unit was perfectly secured at all times. Once Happy River arrived at Noviport, Doigro faced the next challenging part of the project, offloading the heavy lift pieces onto barges, all while being on anchorage, literally in the middle of nowhere, without any port infrastructure to rely on. With the heaviest reactor unit on board Happy River, weighing more than 430 tons, and the longest column measuring more than 70 meters, Doigro had to take utmost care that all units were safely and precisely discharged onto the designated barges. For this reason, and in absence of any port infrastructure, Doigro also chartered the OM-341 passenger vessel throughout the project execution phase to provide transport and accommodation to Doigro's project team, clients' representatives, stevedores, welders, surveyors, and maritime engineers at the anchorage position. With the successful completion of Happy River's voyage and the connecting barge delivery of the cargoes, Doigro is able to once more prove its expertise of solving even the most challenging logistic puzzles. Our local knowledge and expertise, our highly skilled in-house engineering, our valuable partners in the region, and the flexibility to suit our clients' needs and to respond to any last-minute changes made Doigro the right partner for the Tobolsk project. Doigro, minds over matter.